In this activity, I will demonstrate to you how to create a combo box or pick list, as it is also known in BoomiFlow. Here we are on the BoomiFlow build canvas. We're going to click on the Employee App Page tab to return to our page layout. And then here we're going to find the combo box component. We're going to click on the combo box and drag it to place it into our salutation container. Then we're going to enter the text salutation in the name and label text boxes, and then tick the box for required. Then we're going to have to create a type. So to do that, we're going to click on the Home tab, click on Types. You can see our flow here in our Flows page. You can see our system types here, where we're going to create a new type, so we're going to click on New Type here. We're going to name this new type Salutation, and we're going to click on New Property. Then we're going to enter the word Salutations in the name text box here. And then from the drop down, we're going to select String. Then we can click on Apply Property. And now we have our salutation type created. Now we're going to click on Save Type. And you can see our salutation type here now. Then we're going to return to the Employee App page. And now we're going to click on Select a Type. And here we're going to select our salutation type that we just created. And now we're going to click on the radio button for Get the Data from a List Value. So we're going to create a value here. So we're going to select or create a new value. And then create a new value. And then we're going to name this Salutation List. And this is going to stay as a list value here. We're going to click on this plus button. And here in this first text box, we're going to enter the word Mr. And then clicking the plus button again, we're going to enter Mrs. Clicking the plus button again, we're going to enter Miss. And now we have our three choices for salutation. We're going to click on Save. And then we're going to click on this Select or Create a New Value button here. And create a new value. And we're going to call this our salutation selection. So when the user makes a salutation selection, this is the object that'll be saved to the tenant. We're going to click on Save. And then click on Add Column. Here we're going to click on the drop down and select Salutations. Then click on Apply Column. And we can see our data presentation is now selected. We're going to click on Save Component. And then we can click on the disk icon to save our changes. And then we're going to click on the BoomiFlow Employee App tab to return to our build canvas. And here we're going to click on the Publish icon again. Then in the text box here, we're going to enter BoomiFlow-page element-salutation combo box. Then we'll click on the green Publish button. The flow's been published successfully, so we can run our flow. And we see our app opening in a new tab. Then we can click on Let's Get Started. And then here we have our salutation combo box. We can click on the drop down. And you can see that we have Mr., Mrs., and Miss that we can select. So I'm just going to select Mr. for myself. And then I'm going to make sure the input components are still working properly. So I've entered my name in the input components and everything's working properly in my app still. So we can close the app, return to the flow canvas by closing out of the Publish Flow window. And that brings us to the end of Activity 6. Now you can take roughly 10 minutes to complete Activity 6 using your activity guide and referencing pages 48 through 55.